Got a Chinese Type 56 SKS from Palmetto State Armory. It's an old military surplus rifle. And we're gonna unbox it and give you guys my first impressions on it. Based upon the reviews that I saw on this thing, some people were pretty happy with their purchase and some others were not. So we'll take a look and see how I did here. All right, lots of cosmoline. Not too bad. I think it'll clean up pretty nice. Definitely a lot of cosmoline. Just at a first glance, I don't see any chips or cracks on the stock. Nothing too bad. Yeah, it looks great. Let's see here. So this is what we got. So I'll go ahead and start working on cleaning this up and I will get back with you guys.